Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So DJ Casely has died at age 55, just months after being hospitalized with Covid-19. The record executive from New York passed away on Easter Sunday and his death was confirmed by Van Silk. The graffiti writer, whose real name is Keith Grayson, was admitted to hospital in December with Covid-19. Van Silk, who was known to DJ since he was 16, paid tribute in a statement to DX describing him as "my dear brother." DJ Say, who knew DJ Khaled and Snoop Dogg, was well known for his album The Soul Controller. Celebrities were quick to pay tribute to the music star, also known as Daz, as report of his death began to circulate on social media. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.